So, andito ate ko ngayon. So, mag-rate tayo ng mga foods. Dalawa dapat to guys. Ito yun guys, yung isa. Pero, isa lang daw muna. For a day. Aha. So, isa tayo. Una, ito. Yan yung Pringles. Kakakain lang namin kasi so, i-rate namin. Kasi, pa namin na-rate. Kaya, 3, 2, 1. It's like good. I think I'm gonna rate like a 10 out of 10 because it's so yummy. Me neither. 10 out of 10. Last na guys. And we're going to the next one. She's so... Look at this. It's crazy. Next one. Okay, it's next one. And it's the gummy worm. Get the scissors. We can do this. Yeah. Ew. Yeah. Oh my god, Bessie. Oh my god, what do you want? I want the gummy worms. I want the gummy worms. This too, the gummy worms. Because muna tayo sa ano. Ito una. Ito lang. So, first, ito yung sa akin. Because iaano ko to sa Pringles because na-try ko na to many times na masarap. So, yummy too this. Let's go right out. Mga sarap niya guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yung ano. First, try natin ito. Ito blue and purple and pink. Akin red. Taste test habang wala pang ganito. 3, 2, 1. It's good. Mahirap siyang anahin. Pero sarap nito. No offense. Iba yung mga color. Yung orange, ginaan ko yung orange. Parang orange yung konting maasim. Dito next tayo guys. Let's go here. Like a Celesta, like a Celesta. Dalawa dapat. Kaya waka mo niya yung bote. Just us, show you off. Okay, I'm no one show you off. I want what you call this one. Dali ka mag-besh. Oo, besh. Okay, go. 3, 2, 3, go. Sarap siya. I-ref mo. Every next time, guys. Sarap siya. Yeah. I'm going to rate it like 6 out of 10. Like 7 because the gummy worms is parang matigas. Parang tinaste mo na, parang pag malapit na sa end, parang maano na siya na maasa. Ayan guys. I want to try it again. Hindi naman to guys ubusin ko. Pero naman next. Kasi magbabaon na ako sa school. Anong ibabaon ko sa school? Gummy worms na lang tayo. Go with gummy worms. Kasi alam ko ba natin and then Justin! Show up! No, 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 no. What you got? Last one. Sarap. Namis. Guys, alam nyo guys, yung pink and blue. Lasang mga buhok. Diba? Pa yung kulay. Sarap na ito, guys. Dapat kayo sa baba, meron parang star. Dahil kasi dyan may star. And yun lang today, guys. Ang magbibigyo kami ngayon, pag parang yung parang Japan na or Chinese, yung yung bumibili yung bata. Bahama na. Gano'n. Sa-slide namin yun. Kapag-test ko lang ng ate ko. Wonders. Bawal mag-ano to. Guys, bawal umiyak ka at sa bawat hindi. Ito guys, bawal to sa mga school ibaon sa amin. Yung isa kasi, yung kaklase ko, yung gumamit. Shrub. Kapag watching to, yung katabi ko nag-watch na to. Mga nag-subscribe na siya. Pag kinain natin tong dalawa ngayon, 3 na lang. 4. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anong gusto mo? Yes or no? I don't know. I like to see first. I think mag-a-end na kami. I will have the turtle one and and goodbye for now. Bye. Peace. Subscribe and like and comment, please. Peace.